Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to kind of introduce you to our collection of home care products. So we have all of these great new home care products that have come to us from LGH&H, which is just great because we were able to get these really great products already instead of having to, start at the drawing board and go through all of the research and development. So it was great that we were able to kind of expand this line all together, and we're kind of celebrating springing into clean with a spring cleaning theme. So first up, we have the Morning Aura collection, and this collection kind of focuses on cleaning hard to clean things. So we have the bottle cleaner, which is an odor busting, it's super cleaning. It's an effervescent tablet that you drop in your bottle, your coffee maker, tea kettle, thermos, or carafe, or what have you. Drop that tablet in with the container full of water, and it works to break down and lift stains from the inside of those. Works really, really well. I use it on my water bottle. Just love it. Then we have the bottle brush set. So we have the great long handle with the comfortable handle and nice stiff bristles. Plus we have the two smaller brushes for getting into those tight spaces and even into clean your reusable straws. We also have the Morning Aura dish soap, which is great for those who like to shop in bulk. And it's a concentrated vegan and cruelty-free formula. And it's actually a 4-pack of 65.9-ounce bottles. So that's something like you might even just get together with your neighborhood and everybody get their dish soap together. It's like a lot of dish soap. Then we have our Cucina collection. And our Cucina collection is, fresh scents and eco-friendly cleaning inspired by nature, which I really, really like. I like using these more natural ingredients instead of the more harsh chemicals that are kind of hard on the skin and frankly kind of hard on the nose and the lungs. And sometimes some of them can even make your eyes burn a little bit. So we have the multi-purpose cleaner, which uses baking soda and citric acid. So it's bleach-free, water-based, and it's free from phthalates, formaldehyde, chlorine, parabens, and glycol ethers. We have the wipes, which I absolutely love. I have these stashed in a few places around my house. It's free from bleach and chemical preservatives, and it's dermatologically tested, which is great because it means it doesn't burn my hands when I use it. Granted, I have kind of sensitive skin, so a lot of things burn my hands, but these don't. These I can use really easily without any discomfort from those. And it's a nature-derived formula. It's got citric acid and pomegranate vinegar in it, and that does a great job, kind of one of those classic cleaning ingredients. We have the Cucina for dishes as well. So we have the automatic dishwasher pods. And those clean and prevent water stains. They have a detergent and rinse aid in one. They're phosphate and toxin free. They have a nice fresh citrus scent. So we use those at my house and really, really like the results we get from those. The dish soap, the Cucina dish soap, is a non-drying moisturizing formula. So it doesn't dry out your hands, leaves your hands feeling kind of, nourished and soft when you're done with the dishes. And it comes in 2 scents. There's the lemon verbena, which is a zesty citrus scent, and the garden basil, which is a fresh herbal scent. And they're safe for the kitchen and for the environment. We have the dish scrubbers. Now, I love these, absolutely, really love these. I don't really use the handle much, but the scrubber itself does a fantastic job of just wiping whatever is on my dishes off in one swipe, without holding on to whatever it just wiped off in the sponge itself. So the spun rinse is clean really easy as well. Because it just really, really hate having to clean the dishes and then clean what I used to clean the dishes. Having that take even longer than cleaning the dishes in the first place. So then we have our Homestar collection. And the Homestar collection, they're super strength cleaning power. So you get, effortless cleaning. We have the range degreaser, another one of the products that I just absolutely love. It is the only degreaser of any kind that anyone in my family has ever used that did not immediately give me a headache from the fumes. It actually has a fairly pleasant scent. I mean, I wouldn't wear it as a perfume, but it's still, as far as degreasers go, a very, very pleasant scent. It has a double solvent solution. So you just spray it, watch the bubbles go to work, and rinse. Could not be any easier. The multi-purpose cleaner is bleach-free, triple action with citric acid, orange oil, and baking soda. This is actually the one we use at my house for all of our non-porous surfaces. It removes stubborn grease and stains, and it has a really nice citrus scent that neutralizes odors. The Fresh Fridge is a no-spill solid gel. So you just put this little container in your fridge, and it's got this solid gel in it that will, kind of evaporate over time. It's got persimmon and eucalyptus extracts. I always think of peppermint and eucalyptus together, but it's actually persimmon and eucalyptus extracts, and that neutralizes the fridge odors for you. The great thing is, once it's all evaporated, you just take the container and toss that in your recycling bin. Then we have your standard kind of mop stick and cloths. So it's like your standard sort of Swiffer system. Our dry cloths they use static electricity, and they have a textured diamond pattern. So they lock in the dust and grab all of the dirt and hair and pet fur that you have on your floors. And then our wet ones have a textured dot pattern. So they stay wet longer, and it reduces friction on the floor, grabs all of that dirt and dust, and cleans up really easy. Actually, just had to use that this morning for a little spill in the kitchen. So then we have our ammonia-free glass cleaner. So it is ammonia-free, so it's not as strong of a that strong odor to it. It's a quick drying and anti-fogging formula, and it does have that nice clean, fresh scent. So it's a great glass cleaner there. And then we have the bathroom cleaner, which you just spray, let it sit, and wipe it away. It fights tough soap scum, lime scale, calcium, grime, basically anything you want to clean up in your bathroom. It has triple action, low pH, and non-corrosive formula, so it's a little bit safer to use than some other formulas, and it safely breaks down and removes those messes. And it has a fresh green apple scent, which I think that's a really cool scent too. The green apple. I like the citrus scents, but the green apple also has that really fresh, clean smell to it. And then we have the toilet bowl cleaner, which comes in a little pouch. It's a powder. You sprinkle it in the water, let it sit for a few hours, and it fights the rings and the stains, and the enzymes break down the tough buildup, and it's got a nice, fresh, clean scent. Then we have one of my favorite lines. I mean, I really like a lot of this stuff. Oh, whoops, forgot about these. We've got the Homestar Microfiber Cloth Set. So there's a big towel, a little towel, and a mitt. Microfiber cloths are great for for cleaning up around the house. We've got the good toilet bowl brush set, so you can get the long handle and the refills, and those work really well. It's an interesting material that really seems to do a really good job of just getting a hold of whatever's on the bowl and scrubbing that out. Got a really nice, easy to use grout brush, and then the bathroom scrubber kit. And I haven't actually used these yet, but I would hope they would be like the kitchen ones, and that they rinse easily and quickly, while still doing a great job of just scrubbing off whatever you want to scrub off. I feel like these paired with the bathroom cleaner would be just like your mega bathroom cleaning set. So then we have the Fresh Fiji to just really make it's very innovative products to make laundry just so much easier. So we have the super concentrated laundry detergent, and it has a stain removing enzyme blend, and it whitens and brightens colors and prevents future stains. And again, really, really super concentrated. It's a little bottle, but it has 63 loads in it. 63 loads of laundry in it. We also have the color booster and stain remover that's formulated with peroxide and a color safe bleach. It eliminates stains and odors, whitens your whites, and brightens your colors. And my personal favorite, and what we use here at my house, is the Fresh Fiji laundry detergent in a sheet. So it's just a nice flat little sheet. You throw it in the wash with your laundry. It's got a 7 enzyme blend, so it's really good at stain removal. It's got baking soda and a natural aroma oils of fresh lemon and lavender. So it's got a really nice soft scent, but it's not a heavy scent that like your clothes still smell. They just smell fresh. And it's great for travel, great for anyone who, if you don't have laundry in your home and you have to carry your laundry to a laundry facility or a laundromat or something like that. Really, really great for that, because it's not a lot of additional weight on top of your clothes. And for travel, I mean, we just recently went on a vacation. We just threw a few sheets in our suitcase so that if we needed to do laundry while we were gone, we had those ready to go. So then we have the stain removers. And these are for pre-treating and removing tough set-in stains. So they've also got a very powerful enzyme formula. And it comes in a spray formula or the gel, which is what we usually use here for most things. We use the gel and really get in and target those stains. Got the fun little, if you've got a lot of clothes to put in a small space in the closet, just a fun little contraption you can use there to kind of hang your hangers more vertically and save space there. Then we've got the fabric refreshers. We have the kind of, portable size one that you can carry that around, like if you are going someplace with strong smells and you want to freshen up your clothes on the go. Also great to kind of keep in your gym bag. You can freshen up your clothes before you put them back in the bag so that they don't build up that gym bag stank. You've also got the fabric refresher with wrinkle releaser, and that freshens the fabric, controls static, has wrinkle control and odor control. So nice combination there for freshening up those clothes. Then we've got the lint roller and refills, the great little portable tool for removing little lint balls and things from your clothes. We have the anti-dyeing absorption sheets. These are really cool if you've got maybe a fresh pair of jeans or some brightly colored clothes and you're worried about the bright colors coming off of the new clothes and depositing on your lighter color clothes. You can throw these in your laundry and they will absorb that loose dye in the laundry and keep it from depositing on your other clothes. And a shoe deodorizer with baking soda and persimmon. And it's great for all kinds of shoes from leather to cotton. So a great way to keep your shoes fresh and smelling lovely. And then, gotta let you see the cute pup with the little shower cap. He's so adorable. Just kind of a preview of something coming out soon, coming in campaign 11. We have the shampoo for dogs and the pet odor eliminator for your home. So we're going to have these coming out in campaign 11, and I'll have some more information on those once I get my my two little fur babies to be testers for me and tell me how they like the shampoo. I really think I'm going to like the smells. They have a berry and a baby's powder smell. I think I'm going to like those smells better than what we have been using. And then we'll try out that odor eliminator as well. Last but not least, we have our gel bead air fresheners. Or deodorizers, and they're infused with green tea extracts and then these really lovely calming lavender or fresh cotton scents. They're great for kind of small areas. We actually use it here at my house. We use one in one of the bathrooms. Also good, like you could stick them in a closet or something, maybe like if you've got your coat closet that maybe brings in all those odors from the outdoors, or even like your laundry room or someplace like that. Any little areas, they're great. And they last a really long time. The gel beads absorb a lot of scents there. So that is our home care collection as it stands at this point. I'm sure we will be adding other fun new things down the line. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to shoot me a message or comment on the video. And I'd be happy to answer those. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon.